Hey guys, welcome back to XDA. Today we're going to talk about an application that will help you get notifications on your lock screen in a better way than the stock version of what Android does normally. Let's check it out. First thing we want to do is download and install the application. I'll give you guys a link to the free version in the XDA thread. If you do want to support the developer, please go ahead and go on the Google Play Store and download the premium version of it. Once you have that installed, make sure you turn on the notification service access, so you can turn that on, make sure the application can run. The other thing, it'll tell you it's running in the background. And if you do want the system to actually relock the screen, if you dismiss a notification as opposed to automatically unlock it, make sure you turn on screen lock permission and grant that to the system. This is not a root-based application. All these permissions are normal within Android, so you don't have to have root to turn this on. What you do want to do here is, if you do want to actually be able to set things differently, there is the ability of actually setting up blacklisting and whitelisting functions within this application. Unfortunately, these things are part of the premium version, and for me, it didn't really bother me that much because I actually wanted to push all my notifications to the main lock screen. Next, or last but not least, we have the notification settings. It gives you the ability to show normal notifications and then also the ability to handle Google Now based kind of notifications. So if you want to be able to see those notifications where in your notification panel, well, I don't have any right now, but when it says something basically to the effect of weather or need to leave now, Google Now based cards, this will be able to push that. The other options here you have the ability of turning on pocket mode, which uses the sensors to sense if it's in the pocket and it won't turn on the screen. If you do have some problems with this where the timeout or it's not turning on correctly, the developer does kind of recommend you calibrating as well as turning off pocket mode for your sensor for your screen, and that should fix your problem if it's not working correctly. Themes are coming soon, and then background just to be able to kind of work. The reason why I like this application, and I like it more than just a standard stock notification of when I do get text messages, is because the way it displays. It turns on the screen and it turns it on for me in a very dim coloring, and it just gives me the ability to see that. I can actually either react to it. I have action 1 and 2, obviously, if this was a text message. I can see it or I can deny it, and if I deny it, goes to the next notification, turns off my screen, I go back to sleep mode. It gives you the ability to get your notifications the way you'd want them. It works with Hangout, it works with other notifications, and you're able to scroll through your notifications from your lock screen without having to actually open up the drawer, and then you can see them, obviously in a short version, and then just reply if you want to get into the application or ignore, and then you're back into, the device will go back into a sleep mode. So the developer gives us access to a free version of the application here at XDA. Check it out, let me know what you guys think. I like the way it handles notifications better than the way the stock notification handling is done. Depending on your ROM or your manufacturer, your system probably doesn't notify you of all the notifications on your screen when the screen is locked. You probably get a certain number of them, maybe an aggregate of text messages, but Hangout probably doesn't show up there because it's not supported. But you get different notifications on different devices. This gets the system notifications all right in front of you in the middle. You can dismiss them, turn off the screen, handle them, open the application, respond. Those are the things that this application provides you. It's still being developed as far as the themes, and hopefully the developer will put out more options in the near future. There is a premium version that's provided on the Google Play Store. If you'd like to support the developer, please go on and go ahead and download that version. But the notification, or at least the free version of it, works pretty well. I like it. Let me know what you guys think. As usual, like and subscribe to this channel, like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys next Tuesday.